How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on Story. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add highlights on Instagram without publicly posting a story. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. From the home screen, tap the plus icon at the top left and choose Story. Now you can either take a quick photo or upload any photo or video from your gallery. It doesn't really matter because this story won't be public. After selecting your photo or video, tap the arrow at the bottom right. Instead of sharing it with everyone, choose Close Friends. Now, tap on the Close Friends list and make sure you select only one account. Ideally, choose a random account or someone who doesn't follow you back, so no one you know will see it. Once that's selected, tap Share. As soon as the story is shared, you'll see the option to Add to Highlights at the bottom. Tap on that, then tap the plus icon to create a new highlight or add it to an existing one. Give it a name if you want, then tap Done. Now, head over to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. You'll see your highlight sitting there like normal, even though you never publicly posted the story. Only that one selected account could see it, and since they don't follow you, it's basically invisible to everyone else. That's how you add Instagram highlights without posting a public story. If this helped you out, hit the subscribe button and leave a like. Thanks!